Hello and welcome to the OurDisk demonstration for working with the Browse tab. So this is the main operating area of the OurDisk system. It contains our categories. In some cases categories might be your client names or project names, for example, anything that are main divisions in your system to allow different groups of people to access them. So today I'm selecting the OurDisk demo category. And to change that name, if I wanted to, is just a single click on the category name up the top blue area, and I can quickly just change that there. Only administrators can change the name of categories. Again, folders appear in the folder list underneath, and I can quickly just single click on the name and add a new word if I wanted to, or change the name of the directory. So to view what's in the directory, simple case of single click on the arrow and it will display the photos. Now in this case there's nothing in this directory, but what has appeared is the upload and the info tab. So I can see how many files or are in this particular directory, but I can also see who can actually access this directory. Very, very important as an administrator to make sure your permissions are set correctly. I'll cover permissions and file access in that demo. So that's the info tab. To upload, I can upload single files, or I can upload bulk upload by selecting a bunch of files. Select that and it's starting the process. You can see one's processing, one's uploading. The extra small ones are already gone up there, and the process, as you can see, is working its way through now and quickly going up onto the server. So once that's processed, I can then navigate away and add more folders and files if I like. So it's quite a straightforward system. Again, I'll just navigate in and you can see now that it's been uploaded, it also drags the detail, the metadata, out of a JPEG if it's been captured from a digital camera, for example. So it puts that into the description of the actual file. I can quickly view that with a double click on that area and to go through to the view file area with all the detail about this particular file. If I have edit rights or I'm an administrator, I can change the names quite easily, and I can add some more description, and if I have the rights I can actually move it to another part of the system if I wanted to, or add some searchable tags. So if I save that, we can see now that those changes have been made. What's quite valuable is this history. So I can see when the file was uploaded, who uploaded it. The green is who edited it, and as you just saw that I made those changes just then, so they've appeared. If I download the file, I can do a quick download with there. Open that up, of course. So I'll just refresh that now. Click through to that file. There's my rainforest pick. The name's been changed. And have a look at the history. And you can see now that there's a history of that file being downloaded. So you can see as your users access these files, you can see exactly what's going on with each file. So to add a new folder under this structure, simple case, add folder, and it will add it here. Single click, again, more photos. Now if I want to download, there's three different ways I can do that. I can download a single file, so I'll just open those up. So there's two files in here. Single click will select it and I can hit the download button here. I can also shift click and select multiple files here and hit download, and it will zip them up together and download them at once. Or I can select the whole folder. Now you can see that grey bounding box. It now tells me that I can actually download that entire folder if I want to. Single click, it will zip it up into a particular folder. I'll just do that now so you can see. See, there's my zip file. I'm going to download that, and it's all good to go. So the other really cool thing is if I wanted to work on this directory of this category, I just click the expand button, and there's my category. I can work on that area on its own, and I can have multiple windows of those opened. So to delete files, simple case of selecting the folder or the individual file. In this case, I'm going to do the individual file and hit delete. Now, it's not going to really delete it. It will send it to the trash. And if I have a look in my trash, there's a files pending delete, and I can quickly navigate to the one. There's that rainforest pic. And I can just delete it from there. As soon as I delete it from the files pending delete area, the file will disappear from the file system. It is a permanent delete. You cannot retrieve it once you delete it out of the trash. Similar to most systems on the planet today. So that's working with files. Before I go, one more thing. Search. The search now contains a fantastic way to search content of documents as well as files and directories. So for example, here's an example of one I've done earlier. There's a category called body corporate. There's a folder called with the name body in it. There's a file with the term body in it as well. And there's another file in the trash with the term body. So I can quickly navigate to that particular directory just by selecting it, and you can see that it's there it is, ready to go. So search is very, very powerful. So to take advantage of that, you just get your content in there and start experimenting, and you can see the power of the OurDisk search component. Thank you.